Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to restore a system restore point in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Restoring a system restore point in Windows 11 is a great way to revert your computer to a previous state if something goes wrong. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Press the Windows key +S to open the search bar. Type Create a Restore Point in the search bar, and click on the matching result. This will open the System Properties window. In the System Properties window, click on the System Restore button. Select a restore point from the list that was created before the issue started. Click Next. Review the details and click Finish to start the restore process. Your computer will restart and begin restoring the system to the chosen point. Once the process is complete, your system should be restored to the previous state you selected. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.